All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. Today we're going to be looking at ClickBank and some actual real ways and methods that you could go out and start using some of ClickBank products in order to start making money. I think that what I'm going to be showing you is different than what everyone else is showing you how to do, which is just go spam the heck out of these affiliate links to see if you can get people in. But you really want to dissect the different topics and the different products that you could be looking at. Now we can come in here and, for example, we're in ClickBank and I'm going to show you, you can go to top offers right here. If you go to top offers, you're going to be able to see this gravity score is based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales. I believe this is within the last 2 weeks. It might be within the last 30 days, but I've always heard that it's about 14 days. So that means in the last 14 days, 627 different affiliates are making sales. This is one of the biggest offers in decades on ClickBank. ClickBank's been around since the 90s, right? One of the most explosive offers in decades. Go here, check it out. It's a supplement. Obviously, it's got really good conversions. The conversion right here is $148 in general or on average that you would make. Now, I wanted to see what the other stats are. I'm not seeing what the other stats. It's been a while since I've logged into ClickBank, but I know that they've restructured the layout and everything. They used to show you what the refund rate was on these products and so forth. So I would always want to look at the refund rates, but I'm not seeing these stats right over here. We can click on the affiliate page, go over here, you can put in your information, but of course, we'll scroll down and just see if we can get, I don't see anything about the conversion rates or the refund rates. We just know what the average conversion is as far as the amount that you make per sale, and then also the gravity score. So we know that this is selling like hotcakes, but we also don't know what the longevity is and so forth, how long this offer will be around and so forth. But what I would do is start scrolling through. What makes these good offers as well is that when you can see this reoccurring right here, right? So this is a health supplement that if someone starts taking it and they like it, they start feeling better while they're taking it, then they're most likely going to go back and make another purchase of the software. If you signed up that customer and they come back and purchase in their membership, you're going to get paid a reoccurring commission for that. So I really like to see reoccurring commissions on these, but we can come through here and scroll through, and I'm going to go to the next page over here. Now, so here's one about blood sugar right here. It's called GlucoTrust. Can also push the heart button there so we don't lose it. Scoop up AOV of $150 and a $5 EPC with this new killer blood sugar supplement that affiliates are raving about. Hollywood style video sales letter. We can click this and look at more info. I don't see the reoccurring on this. And then we can click on the affiliate page, but we have a gravity score of 196. So that means that 196 other people are selling this product. The average conversion is $137. I'm going to click on the affiliate page and go check this out. Currently crushing it for media buyers, hundreds of affiliates worldwide in warm and cold traffic. You can read more about it, familiarize yourself. There is a picture of what it looks like. It's a bottle. These physical products are going to do really, really well, especially if they have like good testimonies and so forth. They're saying easy conversions, high payouts. You'll earn 70% commissions and qualify for more. Crushes cold traffic. You can get some more, but this is the important part when we start getting in here. Who is GlucoTrust for? And as an affiliate marketer, this is where you want to spend your time. Who is this product for, and what kind of unique campaign can I put together in order to sell this product? So blood sugar management and weight loss are two of the biggest health issues worldwide, and they are linked together. GlucoTrust appeals to men and women. So you're selling a product that appeals to a lot of people. You can go from anything from health related, men and women 40 years old or older. So you know your market, you know your target market, right? If you are younger than 40 and you're going to get on camera and make YouTube videos or so forth, this might not be 100% the right product for you. If you are younger in your 20s or something like that, maybe if you're in your late 30s, you can pull it off. But if you're in your 20s or early 30s, you're probably not going to appeal to the audience that you're going for, because This is aimed at 40-year-olds or older. That's when people start looking into, blood sugar supplements and worrying about their health more. Okay. You have erectile dysfunction, diabetes, blood pressure, weight loss, conservative fitness. So any one of these can be its own market on YouTube, right? Its own niche. Inside of the weight loss niche, there are several different chains of micro niches inside of each one of these, right? But let's just say you had a diabetes channel, right? So we wanted to go about that. Let's just say we're going to create a diabetes channel. Maybe if you have diabetes and you take this and it's working for you, then you're going to be able to really be a strong affiliate for them because you have firsthand experience and you do have diabetes and it's helping your diabetes, something like that, right? They have some expert tips right here. Put one of our custom thumbnails images on the end of your emails, insert the link. These images are tested and proven to boost the number of clicks you send. Send to our VSL page and then send again. All unopens 24 hours later. So they have tips in there. They are doing the marketing, at least the marketing ideas for you. You've got all these banners right here. You can use this for your website. You have permission, if you become an affiliate, to use all of these graphics. So they provide all of this for you. Okay. So I'm going to show you another powerful thing that we can do. We can take this, it's a Get Glucose Trust, but we can go over to this other site over here and it's called, so this is Affiliate Corner, and it is a marketer's tool chest, a database and a research tool for affiliate marketers. I'll try to leave a link below to it. But I went ahead and went over here. If we go to the dashboard, you'll be able to see that they have 3,600 programs in here. And if we come up here and we just say glucose, possibly 0, but if we type in diabetes, then there are 10 programs in here. I'll look and just to see total diabetes right here. But what's really cool is we can find one of these products, we can click on it, and we could actually go and sign up to be an affiliate and use these products as well. But we could also come in here and they do all kinds of information for us, right? Suitable for health blogs, health enthusiasts, health vloggers. We can go over here, trends and commissions. So you can see right over here with the trends are just going up, and there's very, very steady evergreen, if not going up. And so we can get some more stats about this. 96 super hard. So this means that this is very, very competitive when it comes to a CPC, how much money people will actually be spending in order to get sales and to get new customers inside of the diabetes market. So this is actually good that this initial keyword, you actually want to see a lot of search volume, which we see, and it's very difficult. Global volume, 1.5 million searches and so forth. You can see competition of keywords right over here. And then you have all these other different, best protein powder for diabetes, all kinds of different keywords that we can go for as well. Here's some more, how to stop frequent urination in diabetes, how to reverse kidney death, all these different keywords that you could go, obviously build a blog, or in my case, I would actually go down the YouTube route. Of course, in this sensitive of a market, you would definitely want to make sure that you put disclaimers on all of your content and all of your videos. Even if you are an MD or a doctor, you still would want to put some type of disclaimer. So you are not, people, basically a disclaimer that people need to seek out their own health professional and get their advice before taking any kind of action on the advice you're giving or content that you're putting forward. So it's just good to protect yourself, especially in these kind of markets, right? Ideas to promote. This is really, really great because we can come in here. Let's look at who your target audience is, blah, blah, blah. So people with type 1 diabetes, people with type 2 diabetes, caregivers, pregnant women, athletes with diabetes, older adults with diabetes, people with pre-diabetes. Look at all these different niches. These are micro niches inside of just the diabetes niche, right? And you can go and build an entire channel on just one of these that resonates with you. Like if you're an athlete and you have diabetes, boom, you can create an entire channel, and that would be your audience, right? Don't know how to promote? Well, you can do blogging right here, infographics, YouTube channel. This is where I spend all my time right here, but you can build an email list. You can do both these simultaneously, design interactive online puzzles, write in-depth case studies, and all kinds of good stuff. Start with a podcast and so forth, right? So the list just keeps going on. So they actually help you. This tool actually helps you come up with those ways that you can, those creative ideas and ways that you can promote a product like a diabetes product. So back over here, so what we would do is we would come in here and you could go to the affiliate page. A lot of times you want to go to this and check out like what their basic sales page looks like. So we've got all this right over here. Cool. And then we would come over here. Obviously, you would push the promote button and then you would put in a tracking ID. So let's just say this is your YouTube channel. You would just go like that, create hop link. You'd put your nickname in there, and then you're going to have this right here as your affiliate link. It has your ID on it, so we know where the sale came from. But I would also cloak this in a way. I wouldn't just put this all over YouTube. I would go and use a link cloaker. I'm not going to go over how to do that in this video. But then what do we do next, right? So you can go and you could use vidIQ. For example, we could go over here and go to YouTube. And then once we're on YouTube, you can come up here, and if you already have vidIQ installed, it's free. I have the $10 a month plan because it allows you to have unlimited keyword research access. I'd come in here and I would just say diabetes and just see what shows up for diabetes. And we might go and click the overall score. I'll hit that once. And we'll come back and we'll look at all these right here. So anything over 50, we might want to go with, we could be interested in. This is going to give us some different keywords, but you're going to really get those great questions by, this will give you the idea or the keywords that are like the most broad keywords kind of, but really a great way to do this is to actually come in here and use a keyword research tool. You could use Uber Suggest. You could use SERanking, which I'm going to use right now. Any keyword tool that you have, we could come over here and go keyword research right here. And then we could go into right here, but let's go back over to the insights section. And let's say we're going to people with pre-diabetes. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in that pre-diabetes. Maybe that is the market that we want to go and research. So I would just type in pre-diabetes, and then I would maybe say pre-diabetes without the dash in the middle. And then we would say analyze. It's going to go out there and do keyword research for us. For some reason, it is not giving me keywords for pre-diabetes. So I'm just going to say diabetes. And we have all these different diabetes, 148,000 words that we can come in here. And then now we can start dialing this in. We'll go and we'll add a filter up here. We want to go with 35 on difficulty. We want search volume to be a minimum of 100. And then word count, I'm going to go, because we have so many keywords, I'm going to actually go with very targeted traffic at 6 and see what this looks like. So I'll apply that filter right there. And we just narrow this down to 1,405 keywords that are all easy, semi-easy, and they all have good traffic. So now what do? You can go and build a TikTok channel. You can build a YouTube Shorts channel. You can build a full YouTube for long form content. We can go in there and start creating content around this. You could create a faceless YouTube channel if you are comfortable getting on camera, if you know anything about fitness and health, if you want to do these kind of healthy things and teach other people how to, then you can actually get on camera and become an influencer quicker and start creating YouTube videos right here, answering all these questions right here. We can even go to the questions section right over here and look at all of the questions that are that we want answered. We can go to word count right over here and push apply, and then start looking at all these. What are good foods for diabetics? How to know if you have diabetes? What foods are just the list goes on. What fruits are good for diabetes? Then once you start creating all this content, you're going to have a little bit of a maybe a 20-second kind of during your introduction, and then maybe at the end of your video, just kind of put any kind of put together just a small sales pitch promoting the product that you're trying to sell, and just say, hey, are you looking for how to discover a method to support healthy blood sugar levels in a natural way? Well, click the first link below and check this top selling product out. It's really changed a lot of people's lives. And that's all you have to do, right? Because you're helping them out, you're bringing valuable content to them, and then you're putting in just a small little, recommendation. Really, it's just a recommendation. Hey, go check out this product if you're trying to get healthier blood sugar, and then you can start driving traffic with your keyword research. And that is how you would actually go out and build a real campaign promoting a ClickBank product. Make sure that the ClickBank product is good. I recommend purchasing the product, trying it out yourself before you really dive in and create an entire YouTube channel based on this method. I recommend that you purchase the product and find something that you enjoy and that has something to do with your interests, and then you're gonna stick with it longer and you're going to get results, right? But this isn't something that's going to happen overnight. Hope that you guys understand that. So if you guys want to learn more, click the first link below, and that actually will take you to my 1-hour webinar where you can learn more about how you can start making 10K a month using free traffic and affiliate marketing. I'll see you in the next video.